What's up, guys? R4 Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Prison Architect, of course. So, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and that's mainly, I actually made a video on it recently, well, I haven't uploaded in a while. So, we, this is my prison. Yeah, this is my prison. It's massive. It is absolutely massive. So, looks like the gang leader here is stuck in a Okay, I think we should do a shakedown. A full-fledged shakedown. Let's do oh my god. Holy snarbles. Gee, shiza. Oh my gosh. I've actually never built a prison this big in my life, and I think that this might be the... Actually, no, the biggest prison in the world has 2,000 cells. Oh my gosh, there's 8,914 places to look! Holy crap! Oh my gosh, I did not mean to zoom in that far. But, Jesus! Oh my gosh. And we're not even to capacity with this place. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Dudes. Oh my god. Whoa. What? Tunneling? Where are these devilish people going to tunnel? How? Oh my gosh, this shakedown is taking forever. Dude, oh my god. You know what? I don't have the patience for this. I'm gonna turn off shakedown. Okay, so this might look a little different. I decided to go to another prison because that one was too glitchy. So I decided to go to this one. So we actually have a job to do. So we actually have to create the laundry room. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to, of course, put some lights in there, and because that's what all prisons need is some light. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put, let's do 5 washing machines and a bunch of these dudes. Let's get some ironing boards in here. I hope something fun happens in this episode. Okay, so we got that all squared away. So let's see how many gang members we have. We have 10 of each member. Yeah, there are 10 of each member. Because there's apparently 3 members of one of each gang. So yeah, there's 3 of each gang because like I messed up something. Anyway, so informants. Oh, we have 2 potential CIs. Let's go. I'm gonna make this guy a CI. Let's go. Potential CI. Let's go. Let's recruit. Anyone who's a potential informant, I'm gonna hire. Because I want to hire them. Okay? Don't judge me. If you judge me, I will kill you. I'm just kidding. I didn't mean to say that to you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. I am sorry. I'm not sorry. If you guys didn't know, I have 2 personalities. One is not sorry for hurting people, and the other one is. So, yeah. So let me give you a little tour. This is a prison that I built myself. I decided to build it without the camera. So this is it. There are 4 walls. Supermax is tight as fuck. And yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so what we gonna do is, okay, so we have laundry. Okay, I'm going to actually put in a floor. And if you hear a fan in the background, it's my grandparents' fan, so don't even mind that. Okay, so now we're gonna need water to these babies. I made this washing machine about 10 times. Oh my gosh. There's something wrong with me. Well, I mean, there's always something wrong with me, so what changes that? I'm going to skip forward a little bit so we're not bored. Oh, wow, everyone finally decided to go to sleep 2 hours before you're actually supposed to get up and take a shower. Oh my god. Okay. Lockdown. If this goes haywire, I'm gonna, okay, 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 okay. Everything's good so far. If you guys mess up, it's on you. You don't get any good time. I'm like keeping a close eye on these. Okay. Whoa. Hold on. Hold the heck on. Hold on. What are you guys gonna plan? What? Their whole gang is, it's the Green Gang. Either they're gonna they're plotting an assault on another gang member, or their own gang, or they're gonna try and take over this common room. I believe that they're gonna take over the common room, the yard, or, well, I mean, they can't take over this common room because it's owned by the Supermax. So guys, you guys don't get any ideas. Don't try and take over this common room right here because it's already owned by the Supermax. So yeah, don't even try it. Okay. Let's see what they're gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna have to pause that because I don't want some crazy crap going on. Okay, this is supposed to be a maximum security prison. So, okay, so let's see what they're gonna do. Okay. I kind of hope that they're going to start fighting because then that means that something cool happened in this episode. Okay. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Oh, yes! They're going crazy! Oh my gosh. Let's go! Let's actually go. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Should we turn on Free Fire? Let's turn on Free Fire. Oh, snap. He's got jail keys. Oh, snap. Okay, let's get some armed guards in here. Free Fire. Oh, they killed a guy. Oh, dude. They're killing all these guys. Oh my gosh. 3 deaths. Oh, and that guy's got the jail keys now. Free Fire. I don't care. Free Fire. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my god. Murdered with shotgun, and shotgun. Oh my god. And this guy's passed the F out. Yo. These armed guards, they've got aim. They've got some serious aim. And what are you doing in here? You're supposed to be... This guy's got his hands up like please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. And this guy's like, shut the fuck up. I'm not going to leave that. But dude, oh my god. This is crazy. Wow. I'm glad that something crazy actually happened in this episode. Thank goodness. This guy almost got killed. Wait, okay, so the guy behind him didn't get killed, but these guys did because they were assholes. So, let's see okay, so the Green Gang is down by 3 members. So they have to recruit 3 more gang members in order to get back up to the 10 members that they used to have, which is actually good that we decreased their amount of members. Okay, so what I did was I actually kind of sectioned it off. Would you say? Yeah, sectioned it off into 3 sections. So all the guys that have like the freaking long sentences, like 200 years or some crap like that, they all go into Supermax. Okay. Oh man. Holy crap. That was intense. You know what? I had this pop filter in front of this mic. Frick off, pop filter. Frick off. Okay. Wow, now I can actually see the screen properly. Wow. Who knew that could be possible? Who knew that could be possible in a world where nothing is possible? Okay. I decided to get rid of the pop filter because it was blocking my view of half the freaking screen. So, Oh my gosh. Blood everywhere. Man. You guys aren't doing your work. You guys are just Oh, well, no. This lady's doing work. This lady is the only one doing work. She's the superhero of today's episode. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We should bow to her. She is the she should be the freaking warden of this prison. Holy crap. And this place is littered in blood. This is probably that's probably like the most gore I've ever seen. So, yeah. Okay. I completely effed up. Okay. I effed up on this part. So, we're going to put doors there and doors there. I also, no. We're going to put them up here because I have them up there on the other one. Okay, perfect. And oh, I know why I added that now. I am so stupid. Wow. Oh my gosh, the light bulb inside my head finally worked. Oh my gosh, revolutionary. All these guys are just sitting together. This guy looks like he hasn't shaved in frickin' 7 years. Where's the guy with the longest sentence? 22 years, 102 years. Where? I can't fucking click on him? Oh. Come on. Why are these random dudes? Okay. Now I get it. Okay, so what the frick? I tried zooming in, it auto saved, and then it went from this to that. Like, it's like so up close and personal, huh? You like that? No, I don't like that. Okay. All these guys are going back to their seals. Okay. By the way, I've made this entire hallway a shower block so that these guys don't have to... Even though these guys need to probably have individual showers, I say fuck it, and... Yeah, I just say fuck it. Boom, it's this one, baby. Oh, no. There's already a fight. Oh, come on. What is this? What is he a snitch? Is he a snitch? Fearless. Oh. Why are they attacking him? What the heck? But yeah, this is my prison. It's smaller, but it is so much more luxurious. Oh, they just killed him! They just freaking killed him! Oh my god. They legit just killed him, and now they're gonna act like nothing. They're like, yeah, nothing ever happened, by the way. Oh my god. So this guy, oh, that's the guy that murdered the other guy. Oh, okay. So, let's take a tour. This is what all the cells look like. There's a bed, anything that you could want in a cell this has. A TV, there's actually 3 TVs, there's a couch, there's water spouts, there's exercise machines, there's desks, there's chairs, there's metal detectors, phone booth, a radio, actually 2 radios, a bathroom with a shower. These cells are like top of the end ones. Okay. So, for murdering an inmate, this guy is gonna be put into death row. Death row, bitch. Mother. Okay, he is on death row. Now that means that we now have to construct an execution chamber for this douchebag. Okay, let's start. So, the execution chamber is going to start here. It's not going to be too terribly big. I want it to be decently big, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Whatever. Okay, let's start building. Well, I mean, these guys already got the materials ready. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, so we need lights in here immediately. We need lights. Lights. Okay. Perfect. Okay, next thing to get away. Get away? Yeah, we need to get away. We need to get away with murder and other things. That and that. Perfect. Okay. Tasers, body armor, guard towers, taser rollout, so that they can tase these bitches. Okay, rooms. Execution. For that one motherfucker. Oh, really? I didn't put it centered. Man, come on. Why? That is so stupid of me to do. And I can't even... Oh, that's going to mess with my OCD so bad. Oh, no. No, okay, I need to fix this. I cannot have it like this. I need to fix it. Oh my gosh. Why does that mess with my brain so bad? Okay. Now, that looks better. That looks better. Nice. Okay, problem solving. Okay. Okay, the only thing we need to do now is to change the floor in here and get a pathway running to it. Okay, so we're going to get a pathway to here. Going to get that there. Perfect. Nice. And I have got too many workers or whatever. Yeah. Whoever is in the cell with this guy does not, he probably is like, he's like, why am I in a cell with a death row inmate? This guy's gonna freaking destroy my ass. This guy's gonna freaking murder me. Oh my god. Holy crap. I am in danger. I'm gonna get my ass kicked. I better not. This guy's like, I better not stay near this guy. Holy crap. What am I doing here? I'm just gonna lay here and pretend like this guy isn't here. That's what that's what he's. Why is there a random log stuck into the freaking brick wall? You guys should be doing your jobs well. You know what I mean. This guy, why is he in prison? He looks like he's... Oh, false in prison. He looks like he should be a smart dude, not a guy who's in prison. Really? Man. Oh. Trippy. He's like, why are you moving the camera like that? I don't care. Shut up. You're the inmate. I'm not the inmate. Okay, that made no sense. But whatever. Okay, shut up. Shut up, camera. Whatever. Okay. So, yeah, this is my other prison. I have, like, a bajillion other prisons, but they freeze all the time. So, yep, I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. Probably not because it's super boring, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please smash the like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Boom!